people. So what I've realized in life is sometimes it can get a bit overwhelming, doing this, doing that, and it's important to then stop and gloat on one's achievements, or just kind of congratulate yourself that you've come so far. Since I got just like 4 hours, 5 hours of sleep, I'm not fully like aware, but yeah, lots of work to be done, one after the other, which I will be doing now shortly. So yeah, I'll catch you all soon enough. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe. And this is one random thought that occurred to me. The days you eat Maggie, the previous day, Maggie or top ramen, any of these packaged foods, it immediately reflects on your face. And as of yesterday, I had tomato juice, and even that immediately reflects. See, with regard to the body, also the karma is instant. Eat good stuff, it will show. Eat bad stuff, it will show. So yeah. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.